two specific month. Cooperation is the keynote of this month, not leadership. You would be wise to assist in every way other people who ask your advice or assistance. This will enable you to learn many new techniques and absorb new ideas and experiences, all of which you can put to good use at another time. Your cooperative spirit will be noticed and appreciated. You may well find yourself in the position of creating a romance for two of your acquaintances, or to settle the differences of those who are spatting. Don't let anything upset you or invoke your temper. It is most important that you stay level-headed and logical this month, especially since some present relationship may develop into either a romantic or important business relationship. A cool head and charming manner will impress the party favorably. Since last month was your month for doing and taking the lead in all things, you may find this month of cooperating a bit trying. No matter how urgent a matter may seem, if you can't decide the answer easily, let it go until a more propitious month's cycle. Don't rush into anything without a thorough examination of the pros and cons. This is a month favorable only to assisting and cooperating and may not be successful for anything else. Should friends, relatives, or business associates suggest certain changes in your usual routine, think them over carefully before acting on them. Don't refuse to consider them on the basis that you prefer to make your own decisions. They may be very useful suggestions, and changes, though small, are destined for you this month. Don't buck the tide. If problems arise, ask the advice of those closest to you. They will want only your happiness and can be trusted to help. They will want, in matters of a special nature, consult specialists in that field. Don't fake your way through unknown areas or force issues. Be on the alert for the most practical, sensible, and an expedient way out of any dilemma. Both negotiating and socializing are well favored during the 2 months. You should make an effort to see as many friends as possible, putting to rest any disagreements you may have had. Be charming and diplomatic, and you are sure to erase any unpleasantness. Relax and enjoy any outing to which you may be invited. Take it easy and try to rest whenever possible in order to calm your nerves. The quiet and relaxed nature of a 2-month may be a bit upsetting after the excitement of a 1-month, which was charged with new ideas and adventurous schemes. This could bring about a feeling of general malice, discouragement, and unhappiness with yourself. These disturbances could engender a jealousy of those around you who are more active or successful at the moment. But remember, they too will have their quiet months, probably at the same time you are enjoying the fruits and rewards of a more active month yourself. We all have to travel the path of destiny, and that includes the lows as well as the highs. When you understand numerology, you can let yourself flow easily with the tides and enjoy every moment.